Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, let me show you what we'll be doing here today. Okay, we'll be explaining how to test a seat belt pretensioner, guys. You know, some cars, the pretensioner is part of the seat belt, some is part of the buckle, right here. This one is particularly on BMW, but for BMW, Range Rover, I know quite a few vehicles will actually, Mazda will use that design on many of their vehicles. So if you have an airbag light that relates to seat belt pretensioner, we will explain how to test it today. Now, please guys subscribe, we're uploading videos all the time. We'll probably have 3 new videos every day, so please hit that subscribe button, okay, for more videos. Now, let me show you now right here. The seatbelt buckle pretensioner, okay, usually has 2 wires. Okay, one of the wires goes for the buckle, okay, right here, where you connect your seatbelt. Okay, and the other one goes, okay, let me see, that fat wire right here. Okay, that fat one goes inside the pretensioner. So now that fat wire, you need to trace it all the way to your connector. Okay, check it out now. This is the fat wire right there. And in our case, we already know, okay, which one is here. We cut the zip tie earlier, but we installed a new one, so we can trace exactly which one it is. And in our case, okay, these 2 wires are the ones responsible for the pretensioner there. Oh yeah, let me show you. Okay, right there. 1, 2. Now, most of the times you can pull them apart. Again, I told you all we have to do, just do the zip tie right here and we can cut it. Now, we're going to need a voltmeter here, ohm meter, and we need to set it at 200 ohms. The lowest setting that we have. If the pretensioner is good, guys, it's going to show a reading less than 1. It should be close to 0.5 after you give it a few seconds. 0.5. If it shows you anything over 1, it's not good. If it's blown, it's not going to show anything. Now, if it's blown, you're going to have like no connection at all. Okay, check it out now. Like no connection. That's what you're going to have. Like that. Now, if your pretensioner is good and ours is good, you're going to see, okay, going to 0.5. Okay, give me just a second because I couldn't catch it good. Okay, I cannot reach all the way. Okay, and you can see ours keeps dropping. It's less than 1. The more I hold it, the more it gets, or the lower it gets. Okay, it's 0.8, 0.7. It will drop all the way to 0.5. But as long as it's under 1, you're good to go. Now, if your pretensioner is not working, that's what you're going to have. No connection at all. And that's something you need to be concerned about, and in most cases you need to replace your seatbelt pretensioner. So that's how you guys test it. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.